to have chicken wings for every Sunday afternoon. We've done that all during the season. The one thing that my wife did was buy an air fryer. Now, with that being said, air frying it's a little bit healthier for you. I'm not saying it's so healthy for you, but it's still, it's better off. Our recipe is very simple. We take Frank's Red Hot wing sauce, butter, not a lot, but a little bit of butter in the bowl, and then Frank's regular hot sauce, so it's spicy. Mix it all up, and when you air fry them, you have to air fry them crispy. They got to be cooked. None of these saggy chicken wings. Like we've had situations down here where my wife Kelly is like, "Hey, yeah, these have to go back in. You gotta cook them some more. You have to serve it with blue cheese." And I know Tom Brady likes his with ranch. That's the rumor, but got to be blue cheese, carrots, and celery. That's how you do it.